Introducing new Premium Scooter Motorcycle 2025. New 2025 Mega Scooter with the best top speed of Italjet's amazing Dragster 700 Twin are available. Italjet has unveiled the appearance and specifications of the Dragster 700 Twin scooter, which is equipped with a 2-cylinder engine that produces 68 horsepower. Italjet is about to release an incredible scooter. As the headline says, it will be equipped with a 692 cubic centimeters parallel twin-cylinder engine, and the frame will be a hybrid that combines a steel trellis section and an aluminum steering head section. This model also announced the price and release dates. New Italjet Dragster 700 Twin Model 2025 will be available with price is around €14,900 for per unit. This model will release on spring-summer 2025. So how do you feel about this beautiful Premium Scooter Motorcycle 2025? Please let me know by comment below about your feel. Thanks for watching.